So to replace these liftgate struts, I'm going to actually start at the top, and you'll see right here there's a stud that has a little ball attached to it, and that connects to this socket here. You want to, with a pick or a little screwdriver, pull this clip out, support the tailgate, and then pull this out. The tailgate will want to fall at this point. And now on the bottom right here, you'll see the same thing. And if you actually pry it, if you push the little piston forward, it pops out. Take your new strut, press it on, and press it on up top as well. Now you can let go, and you can do the same thing to the other side if necessary.